Okay, I'm not sure what this is. This is something that someone commented in my Instagram DMs for me to check out. So I said, you know what? Let me do a reaction to it. Members of the channel get to request one reaction every month, but this was not one of those requests. This was just me saying, you know what? Let me check it out. It's Tanner Adell, Buckle Bunny, Barnyard Session. I've never heard of this person ever. No clue what this is.
I'm at the mini mart in a mini skirt, about to steal your man in a torn up t-shirt. This ain't the Hamptons, we all got tramp stamps, acrylic covered in barbecue at the line dance. Cast up, throw me in a...
Okay, so this is like a country but melodic rap. I mess with it. I mess with it so far. Let's see.
Covered in barbecue at the line dance.
Especially this part here.
Throw me in a saddle, spin me like a spur, make my snake skin.
Spin me like a what?
Throw me in a saddle, spin me like a spur, make my snake skin rattle. Sassed up, round 'em like cattle, looking like Beyonce with a lasso.
She actually does. She actually does look like Beyonce a bit, no? Self-aware, self-aware. Yeah.
Looking like Beyonce with a lasso. I'm a buckle bunny. Drive my own truck, got my own money.
Yeah.
Bang with the chaw, so I talk funny. Rhinestone hat since Kentucky. I'm a buckle bunny. I'm a buckle bunny. Ate the whole cake, let them know crummies. Bottle bleach blonde, but I'm no dummy.
What is going on? Why is this so hard? First of all, this is not the type of music I listen to, but there's a bounce to it, and the way that she's delivering it on the video sells it, you know, it makes it believable. And I also like a little bit, I like that southern vibe every now and then, you know, so hey, it's working for me.
Big back porch, but a little tummy.
Yeah.
Can't take nothing from me. I'm a buckle bunny. Maple stirrups, banana pudding, where the Wrangler put it, sterling silver. Now give me more. Watch the buckle hit the floor. Porsche for me, he blowing it back. BB on a custom tag. Hot pink on pink is red. BB on teeth, he snapped. Let him spoil me, boy, no, I'm a cheapskate. To the factory, buy me a cheesecake. If you buy me cheesecake, I'ma holler. Big boy, big blue collar.
So I like the reference to Cheesecake Factory. It's a coin flip, actually. Some people like going to the Cheesecake Factory for dates. Others don't. That's what I noticed. If you're a girl and you're watching this, let me know in the comment section below. Like, would you be okay with a Cheesecake Factory first date or no?
Well, I could buy it on myself anyway. Pan game, cash, Hemingway. But I like my luckies thrifted. Casey's thrifted. Buckle thrifted. Bunny gifted. Cast up, throw me in a saddle. Spin me like a spur. Make my snake skin rattle. Sassed up, round 'em like cattle. Looking like Beyonce with a lasso. I'm a buckle bunny. Drive my own truck, got my own money. Bang with the chaw, so I talk funny. Rhinestone hat since Kentucky.
Yeah.
I'm a buckle bunny. I'm a buckle bunny.
Goddamn, about to make me sing that I'm a Buckle Bunny. That's how catchy it is. I don't want to be a Buckle Bunny,
I'm a buckle bunny.
but I want to sing it.
Cake, let them know crummies. Bottle bleach blonde, but I'm no dummy. Big back porch, but a little tummy. Can't take nothing from me.
Big... Oh, I caught it now. Oh, I'm so stupid. Why didn't I not catch that the first... A big back porch, but I got a little tummy.
Big back porch, but a little
She's talking about that dump. That dumpy.
tummy. Can't take
The dump
nothing
truck.
from me. I'm a buckle bunny.
Yeah.
Gassed up, throw me in a saddle, spin me like a spur, make my snake skin rattle. Sassed up, round 'em like cattle, looking like Beyonce with a lasso. I'm a buckle bunny, drive my own
Oh, what is
truck,
this?
got my own money. Bang with the chaw, so I talk funny. Rhinestone
The dude with the guitar in the background and the production going crazy. He's kind of snapping. He said, you know, this part is my it's my song now. He's going crazy with it. Hey, I'm a buckle bunny.